orientation, the orientation of aorta is of course from the right going to the left, no? So, gano'n. So, orient nyo lagi pagka binigyan kayo ng, ng practical exams. You always orient yourself according to the position of the heart on the chest cavity. Lagi ganyan. Tilted. So, apex is pointing towards the left. That's on the 5th ICS of mid-clavicular line. Siyempre, the opposite of apex is the base. So, ito yung base. No? So, the base of the heart is by the left atrium. Ito yung 4 pulmonary veins. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Wow. 2 minutes. 4.
Ito yung dalawang pulmonary arteries coming from the pulmonary trunk. Okay? Pulmonary trunk, no? T formation. Pulmonary trunk and then pulmonary arteries. Left, right pala and left. Auricle. Right auricle. Auricle is the extension of the atrium. So function just to increase the volume of the right atrium. Between the right atrium and this chamber is the no, anong may groove yan in between the right atrium. No, atrioventricular groove. That is where the right coronary artery is housed. So kahit di nyo nakikita, and then I put a pin here. So what vessel is located in this area, we can always answer the right coronary artery. So if I point I put a pin here and ask you, what node will be affected if this artery is blocked?
Kasi atrioventricular.
Ano? Dito sa right coronary.
Right coronary. So SA and AP.
SA. Most of the time SA yan. Ganun yung mga tanong doon.
Dok, yun na lang itanong mo.
Kung ito ang tinanong ko, pagka if this artery is blocked, what part of the conducting system will be affected?
Lesser.
Etong LAD.
Freaking G.